Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautiful Shine TV. If today is the first time I've come across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you hesitate from this channel. Subscribe and like, share this video out, press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Help this channel to grow. I will appreciate it. My return is God bless you for always stood by me. You guys are wonderful. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. I so much appreciate you guys. If not you guys today, I wouldn't be here. One love keep us together. Okay, in today's video, I want to make pepper soup. Tomatoes pepper soup. This I said this evening. I want what should I eat? So this is what came to my mind. I'm going to be making pepper soup and starch together. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm just going to use a few ingredients to prepare it. So let me introduce you guys my ingredients. Here I have blended crayfish, blended pepper, macrofish. I have one bottle of tomatoes, but I'm not going to be using all because I'm just going to make a few pepper soup that will not take long. Okay, like 1 day or 2 days is okay for me. This is salt. I have one Maggi cube here, chicken Maggi cube, and I have my pepper soup ingredients. Guys, I am starting enjoying my ingredients. You know, I make a video of the things they brought for me at home. So I am starting enjoying them one by one. Guys, you see this? This one is blended one. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Everything you need is inside. We have a lot. This one is already blended. See, everything is inside. Ikosa, everything is inside. Black pepper, everything you needed in pepper soup is inside these ingredients. Okay, this is pepper soup seasoning. See, they wrote it here as well. Pepper soup seasoning. So today we are going to be opening it because I have not opened it before. So today we are going to be opening it and use it. So now we have my fish here. We have catfish, round fish. We have also bulgur here, which is here in the back. Yeah. So guys, those are my ingredients of making this pepper. So let's get into this video and start making it. Continue watching, guys. Okay guys, in here we have my pot. Now I will be pouring the tomatoes. As I said earlier, I'm not going to use all. See, you can see the one I left. So then we have water inside. First of all, we have to add water. Okay, guys, okay for now. And I add later because I don't want pepper soup that is very thick. I don't like pepper soup that is very thick. So now we'll turn it. Okay guys, now we'll be adding pepper inside 1 teaspoon of pepper. That is what I put here. If it is not enough, maybe I might add something later. Then this is my crayfish. A cube of Maggi. And I have add salt. It's okay for now. So let me turn it. Okay guys, for the moment I have to cover it up. Here I have my fish. I'm going to wash it thoroughly with this hot water. I'm going to cover it a little bit. Then later I can remove everything so that all the sand that is inside can get into the water. So because this kind of fish, they have a lot of sand, so I'm removing it with this water. See you guys later, continue washing. Okay guys, let me add, for that noise guys, I am adding the pepper soup ingredients. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. It's not, I don't want so much, you just need a little bit to add. So now I will be adding my meat. Okay guys, now I will be adding my fish. Oh my god, the aroma that is coming out from this food, oh my god. Guys, I would like you guys to perceive the aroma. This food is not yet cooked, but it's calling me already to come and eat. Eat me, eat me. Oh my god. The aroma alone. Oh my god, guys. Don't go there. The aroma alone is not good there. Oh my god. So I will cover it a little bit. At least I will leave this now just for 10 minutes or 7 minutes. And my pepper soup is ready. See you guys later. Let's turn it a little bit. It's almost ready. Okay guys, my food is ready. As you can see, this is outcoming of my pepper soup. I'm going to deal with this food with the starch later, not now, because I'm not yet hungry guys. That will be for later. Guys, this, oh my god, you cannot imagine how this thing the scenting alone, the scenting is too much guys. Oh my god, the scenting is too much. Guys, this is so lovely, so lovely. I love these ingredients I use. Better soup na money kill am. People is using it to make party, but that is true. I now realize it's true, guys. Oh my god, this food is tastes so yummy, so sweet, guys. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you for my next video. Bye bye.